look at that line of airplane. Never seen anything like that before.
Made the ground 146 Tango Bravo is taxiing behind November Sierra Papa.
146 Tango Bravo, roger.
And made the ground Baron 704 Charlie Charlie at Jet Center, ready to taxi.
Oh, I see. They need more space for these cars to go through.
And Baron is at 704 Charlie Charlie.
4 Charlie Charlie, affirmative.
Okay, you
Baron 4 Charlie Charlie, roger. Runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
4 Charlie Charlie, taxi Alpha Alpha 1, roger.
And made the ground, Money 252 Romeo Delta behind, looks like a Cessna, taxiing to 22 left.
Money 250, say again, your full call sign.
Money 252 Romeo Delta.
Money 252 Romeo Delta, roger. Runway 22 right, taxi via, correction, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
Alpha Alpha 1, 2 Romeo Delta.
Made the ground, Skyhawk 79126 is taxiing onto Alpha following the Mooney.
Skyhawk 79126, made the ground, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
Alpha Alpha 1 for 126.
And 2 and 2 Charlie Foxtrot, taxiing via Alpha Alpha 1.
2 Whiskey Charlie Foxtrot, runway 22 left, via Alpha and Alpha 1, say type aircraft.
Yeah, 212 Charlie Foxtrot, Cessna 12 Alpha Alpha 1 to 2 left.
212 Charlie Foxtrot, say again, any type.
Cessna 172 to Charlie Foxtrot.
Roger.
Made the ground RV 286 Juliet Kilo is coming out of Jet Center here for takeoff southbound.
RV 286 Juliet Kilo, make the ground, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
22 left, Alpha Alpha 1, 6 Juliet Kilo.
And made the ground, Cessna 733 Roman November, number 2 behind the 182 and coming out of the Jet Center.
Cessna 733 Romeo November, make the ground, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
Taxi via Alpha, 22 left.
Made ground, Skylane 20791 on Alpha, direct to radio view.
Skylane 2791 Alpha, make the ground, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
Via Alpha 22 left, 791.
The 2971 Alpha. Skylane just called, make the ground, say again, you call sign.
Skylane 791, say again, sir?
Say again your full call sign.
Skylane 20791.
20791, right there.
And made the ground, Skylane 52563 is on the ramp departing with Lima.
Skylane 52563, make the ground, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
22 left, Alpha Alpha 1, 52563.
Wind 150 at 7. Weather is better than 5005. Temperature 29er. Dew point 7. Altimeter 29er. Runway 22 left in use. Expect visual approach. Runway 22 left. Prior permission required. Airport closed to general, aviation, and military transient aircraft from Thursday, October 2nd at 1700 local until Sunday, October 5th at 0400 local. Taxiway Delta 1 and Echo 1 closed. NOTAM. Taxiway Delta 1 and Taxiway Delta between runway 22 right and Taxiway Alpha closed. NOTAM. To Taxiway Echo closed. Runway 2. You have information, Lima.
And made their ground, Archer 341, Tango opposite transient, taxiing with Lima.
Archer 341, Tango Alpha, make the ground, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
22 left, Alpha Alpha 1, 341, Tango Alpha.
And good afternoon, Mather Ground, Diamond Star, November 5, Whiskey Uniform, taxiing out into the lineup with Lima.
Diamond Star 5, Whiskey Uniform, runway 22 left, taxi via Alpha and Alpha 1.
Alpha Alpha 1, 22 left, 5 Whiskey Uniform, thank you, sir. It's a pretty rare sight, it looks like O'Hare or something.
Their ground, Cessna 7682.
Cherokee 1870 Papa, straight out approved. The experimental upwind is a right downwind. 22 left, clear takeoff.
22 left, clear for takeoff, 70 Papa.
Mather Tower 146 Tango Bravo is number 1 at 22 left and request a right downfield departure. Flight support 146 Tango Bravo, Mather Tower, hold short, runway 22 left.
146 Tango Bravo, holding short 22 left.
Tango 3 off Papa, change is approved. Cherokee 70 Papa, change approved.
70 Papa, frequency change.
Spellman 0 Hotel Mike, if you're still on, change approved.
0 Hotel Mike, gotcha.
Flight Sport 6 Tango Bravo, right down when approved. Runway 22 left, cleared for takeoff.
146 Tango Bravo, cleared for takeoff 22 left, and right downwind approved.
Mather Tower, Money 252 Romeo Delta, heading out southwest to Livermore.
Mooney 252 Romeo Delta, Mather Tower, hold short 22 left.
252 Romeo Delta, holding short 22 left.
Mooney 2 Romeo Delta, the light sport, upwind is a right downwind departure. 22 left, clear for takeoff, your left turn, southwest approved.
2 Romeo Delta, roger.
Mather Tower, Skyhawk 7876 uniform, holding short runway 22 left, straight out departure for executive.
Cessna 7876 uniform, Mather Tower, hold short 22 left, thank you.
Holding short 22 left.
Cessna 76 uniform, you back, hold short 22 left, what's your call sign?
Hold short 22 left, 7876 uniform.
Flight Sport 6 Tango Bravo, start your right downwind, please.
6 Tango Bravo, turning for right downwind now.
Skyhawk 76 uniform, straight out exec approved. The Mooney upwinds a left turn southwest, 22 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22 left, 76 uniform, thank you.
And there's the tower, Mooney 87 Papa Mike, holding short, runway 22 left with a northbound departure.
Mooney 87 Papa Mike, made the tower, thank you, hold short 22 left.
Roger 7 Papa Mike, holding short.
Mooney 87 Papa Mike, read back, hold short 22 left, please.
Sorry, sir, Mooney 87 Papa Mike, holding short, 22 left.
Mooney 87 Papa Mike, right turn out of before departure and Cessna upwind is straight out, 22 left, clear for takeoff.
Papa Mike, clear for takeoff, 22 left.
Mather Tower, Skyhawk 79126, holding short at 22 left with Lima for departure to the northeast.
Cessna 79126, Mather Tower, thank you, hold short 22 left.
79126, hold short 22 left.
2 Romeo Delta, frequency change.
2 Romeo Delta, change is approved, have a nice flight.
Roger, thank you.
Cessna 126 is a left or right downwind better for you?
79126, right downwind.
Cessna 126, right downwind approved. The Mooney upwind is in the right turn northbound, 22 left, clear for takeoff.
79126, cleared for takeoff for 22 left, right downwind approved.
Okay, next up, 6445 Tango, 182, and we're northeast bound also.
Skyline 6445 Tango, Mather Tower, thank you, hold short 22 left.
Holding. And a left turn would work. I think we'll be passing the Skyhawk in a few minutes to Placerville.
Left turn on request, and you back hold short 22 left for 45 Tango.
Hey, airspeed's alive, tax good.
Skyhawk 7876 uniform, request frequency change.
676 uniform, change approved, have a good day.
Okay, thank you, you guys are great.
BY.
76 uniform.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Holy cow, this
Skyline
thing's
45 Tango, left downwind is approved, runway 22 left, clear for takeoff. Keep your Cessna or your buddy in sight there, I guess you guys are going in the same area.
Thank you, sir, and 45 Tango is rolling for takeoff, left turn.
Skyhawk 2 and 2 Charlie Foxtrot, holding short, 22 left, northeast Cameron Park.
Alright, I think somebody stepped on you. Once you're number 1 in line, please give me a call. Who's number 1?
Yeah, Skyhawk 2 and 2 Charlie Foxtrot, holding short, 22 left, northeast Cameron Park.
Number 212 Charlie Foxtrot, Mather Tower, thank you, hold short 22 left.
2 and 2 Charlie Foxtrot, holding short, 22 left.
Mather Tower, 146 Tango Bravo, request frequency change.
146 Tango Bravo, change is approved, have a nice flight. Cessna 2 Charlie Foxtrot, would you like a left or right downwind?
I'll take a right, 2 Charlie Foxtrot.
Cessna 2 Charlie Foxtrot, right downwind is approved. There is a Cessna left and right downwind. You can follow the guy in the right downwind. 22 left, clear for takeoff.
22 left, clear for takeoff, right, following the Cessna.
And Mather Tower, Baron 704 Charlie Charlie, holding short 22 left, and we'd like a southwest departure, holding short.
Baron 704 Charlie Charlie, Mather Tower, hold short 22 left, and confirm southwest.
Chai holding short 22 left and southwest departure.
Flight support 16 Bravo, change approved. Cessna 126 and 2 Charlie Foxtrot, change approved for you guys.
2 Charlie Foxtrot, say again.
Cessna 2 Charlie Foxtrot, change approved.
Change approved, thanks.
126, change approved.
Baron 704 Charlie Charlie, southwest departure approved, 22 left clear for takeoff. The Cessna's in the right downwind, no effect.
4 Chai clear for takeoff, 22 left southwest departure.
Mayor Tower, Skylane 2079 arrive 1 holding short at 22 left for a south departure to retail view.
20791 May Tower, hold short 22 left, thank you.
Hold short 22 left, 20791.
Cessna 7901, southbound turn approved, 22 left clear for takeoff.
22 left, clear for takeoff, southbound approved, 20791. Thank you, sir.
Mather Tower, RV 286 Juliet Kilo, holding short at 22 left, southbound departure.
RV 286 Juliet Kilo, Main Tower, hold short.
Placerville Airport, automated weather observation 010 Zulu, weather, wind 200 at 5, visibility more than 10, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature 23 Celsius, 2.3 Celsius, altimeter 2952.
Left, clear for takeoff, 6 Juliet Kilo.
Cessna 7901, what altitude climbing to southbound?
4,500, 20791.
Cessna 7901, roger, behind you is an RV, he's southbound, he's got you in sight, he's going to climb up to 7.5.
20791.
Number 1 holding short, say call sign.
2183 Papa holding short, 22 left for right crosswind departure to the north.
Tower, hold short, runway 22 left, and I'm sorry, I missed your direction.
2183 Papa, that's a right crosswind departure to the north.
Thank you.
And frequency change for 4 Charlie Charlie.
Baron 4 Charlie Charlie, change approved, have a nice flight.
4 Charlie Charlie, good day.
November 2183 Papa, right turn northbound approved, 22 left clear for takeoff.
2183 Papa, cleared for takeoff, right crosswind departure to the north. Mather Tower, Skyhawk 733, Roman November, holding short at 22 left, left turn out to the northeast.